Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to quickly change your MWF water filter on your GE fridge. This is something you can do pretty quickly, so let's get started. Alright, the first thing you want to do is locate the filter on the inside of your fridge. For the GE refrigerators, they're usually located up in the top right corner, as you can see here. First, what you're going to want to do is remove any items that might be in your way and place a hand towel underneath the filter. Then what this is going to do is catch any of the water that might fall out of the filter, and it'll just keep from making a big mess. So you don't have to actually turn the water off to the fridge. You can just go ahead and unscrew it here. So you're going to turn it counterclockwise to the left. And it's going to come right out. Like that. So you're going to take your new filter and remove the plastic covering. And what you want to do is fill up the filter itself so it'll eliminate some of that air that's going to get into the system. Just like that. So now you're going to take the new filter that you just filled up with water and you're going to put it right back in the way you took the other one out. But this one you're going to turn it to the right until you feel it click in. And you're going to hear a little bit of water rush into the filter. Once you got the filter in place, you're going to want to run 1 to 2 gallons of water through the filter, and that's going to remove any air in the system. If your refrigerator has an external water filter light, you're going to need to hold it for 3 seconds to reset it. Well, that's how you change your water filter in a fridge. Super easy, super quick. It is recommended that you change your filter every 6 months. Something that I like to do is actually write the date that it was changed on the actual filter so I know when the last time it was changed. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more how-to videos in the future, feel free to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.